Hello, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Last time I introduced you to some of the features that are used in Microsoft Word. So today I will show you how you can open your Microsoft Word, type your work, edit your work, and save your work. My name is Upaka Ivan. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, please go ahead, subscribe, so that you're able to see more of the videos that I'll be posting. So let me take you through how you can open and save your work using Microsoft. So this is your blank space where you're going to type your work. So let me start by typing. Let me see. Let me start by typing. Let me type human. I want to talk about human migration. That's my heading. Then if you want to your work to another work to you don't want to continue with that, just press enter on your keyboard so that you can start from the beginning. So now here I want to define, let me say definition. You see, in Microsoft, even if you type something using wrong spelling, it can correct you, or sometimes it underlines your work. Like for example, let me try to make some mistake here. Definition of human. For instance, let me say let me just don't put that A, let me put that N space. You see, it has underlined it to show that there's something wrong with the spelling. So when you see red, it shows that your spelling is there's something wrong with your spelling. So what you do, you come and correct. You put A and you see it is no longer underlining. So definition of human migration. Now again, you want to start maybe typing from the first let me say now first margin. From the beginning of your margin, you press enter, then you can maybe say human migration is the movement of people with their goods from one place to another. Yeah, maybe again you want to like have types of human migration. Types of human migration. Then you press enter so that you can start from actually after that types of human migration. From below the types of human migration. So now here types of human migration, we have what we call the internal migration. Press enter so that you start from the beginning of your margin. Then we have internal migration, then we have also international migration. We have forced migration. Yeah, for instance, we can have that. Then again, we want to have reasons why people migrate. Reasons why people migrate. Then we can have, let me say, people migrate for many things, sometimes because of environmental factors. People can migrate because of some political factors. And there are also some other factors. So now, let me now say this is the work that we want. So now you want to go to edit, you want to make your work to appear in an organized way that someone can easily, when he's reading it, cannot get confused, or enables that a person who is reading your work to have nice presentation. So imagine you're creating your textbook and you want to make maybe some words to be as your heading, and you also want to highlight some points so that the person who is reading is able to get or understand your work. So what you do, you start by highlighting the main work, like this one, you want to underline it. So when you want to underline, first of all, you want to make it bold. So this B here, which you see it is shaded, it is to make your work appear bold. Then now maybe you want to underline your work. This U here with this line under, it is used for underlining your work, like that. Then now you want also your heading to appear maybe in the middle of the page. So what you do is you come to your paragraph here and you see which paragraph enables your work to be in the middle of your page. We have this one. This There are different paragraphs. We have this one. This one maybe you want to start from the beginning. Here you want some of your paragraph to start from the beginning. Then other sentences to be in the middle. Then now here maybe you don't want your work to appear in a paragraph. Okay, it is also another form of paragraph. Yeah. So now we have that, as you can see. Now this one also we want to make it to appear bold, since it is a definition, so that maybe when you're reading, you know that this is a subtitle maybe. So what you do, you come and you make it bold. After highlighting, you make it appear bold. Then we also have this. You want it to make it to appear bold. Then you have also this. you want it bold. Yeah. So now you want also to highlight your work so that when someone is reading can know, because there are some people who are just interested in the main points. So now like here you want to, I think when you're reading, you have seen some textbooks like when they write types of human being, then now they start by maybe here number one, number two, or Roman numeral one, Roman numeral two. They present it in that way, or they put some other like dots, ticks, and other things. So now when you want to do that, you first start by highlighting those work like that. Then now you come here. These are the start bullets. As you see here, this is for a start numbered list. Then now this is a start multi-level list. So when you want maybe to make your work to appear in a bullet form, you come here, you click and you choose the types of the bullets that you want. Like for instance, maybe I want this type, as you can see. Then for number also, you can also do the same thing, but you start by highlighting your work. Then you come to the number tab. You can see how you want it to appear, maybe in Roman numerals, or like for instance, I want mine to have number one, number two, or maybe let me say I want to use this. You can click on that as you see here. I think we are done with the editing our work. Then now there's another thing. Before you save your work, you change the font size. This is for changing the font size. Like in most cases, people like using this 12, but what you do, you first start by highlighting your work. So maybe to save your time, you can also use the shortcuts on your keyboard. Like you can press Ctrl A, it highlights all the work. Then now you come to the font size. You choose the font size which you want. Like most people, when they're typing their work, they like editing their work, they like putting the font size to be 12. Then also the calibra. This you choose the type of how maybe you want your work to be appearing. Like for instance, I think you are seeing it is changing on my screen, but in most cases people like using this Times New Roman. When you don't have it, you can search for it. Then it will bring you all this list, and you choose